misfire is all sorted. Got the spare coil pack in the mail that I needed. Took out the old one, which is the correct one. And the spring down in there, it actually touches the spark plug. Doesn't look too good either, so replaced that. And just went for a drive, and it all seems pretty good. Haven't had any misfire. Goes like cut cat. Got it on around 16-17 pound, which it seems to love. So yeah, now it's just prep for 4&Rotary show, which is basically New Zealand's biggest car show of the year. It's up in Auckland next weekend, 26th. So if you're around, come say hi. I'll be actually on the MEGUIARS stand, so with my mate's GTi-R. Should be pretty choice. So yeah, I'm just tidying a few things up, like the wheels need a good clean. A few interior bits a bit faded, so I might just spray them again with the interior paint that I've got. Clean the dash up, give it a wash, give it a wax, and then we should be good. I'm going to drive up to Auckland, so it's about a 4.5–5 hour drive. Car will get filthy on the way there, but we'll just have to clean it when we get there and make sure it's waxed well beforehand so it comes out alright. Yeah, it should be a good weekend. Hope to do some videoing there, see what other cars are around. But yeah, come say hi on the MEGUIARS stand. Should be good fun.